Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Billionaire. I hope you all are well. Before the start of the video, I would request you to go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video and share the video as well. For those traders who want to start trading, I have given some recommended broker links in my description. You can go into my description. You will find out Forex, stocks and crypto brokers link there. You can click the link and you can make your account a real or demo account as well. And our social media links are also available in our description. Go and like and subscribe and follow our social media channels as well. In our today video, we will learn about the easiest way or easiest technique in the trading. Since when I'm trading, this is the easiest strategy which I'm using in my trading, because while we are using some indicators or different strategy, it makes things sometimes complex and at advanced level. But for those traders who are at the beginning stage or at the advanced level stage, can try this strategy which I'm going to tell, and it's the easiest way. You heard about that, you use it in your daily charting life as well, the support and resistance. Yeah, today I will show you how I used to do trading with support and resistance technique. So let's start the video. For traders, here you can see the market was in downtrend. Okay, here the market get a support, means there is some base for the flow from where the buyer activated and pushed the market up. So basically a support is also known as a base or a flow where the buyers are waiting for the market to come at a point, and from where the market goes up, the buyer will push the market by putting buy trading in the market. You can see there's a chart in front of you and this is a live market. Price is moving. This is a chart of JBP, JPY 4 hour. So we will find out support level and the resistance level and how to trade through. Hi traders, here you can see this is a live chart of JBP, JPY 4 hour. The price is also moving. So on the live chart, we will find out how to trade and how we can find out support and resistance. So once we will find out support and resistance, I will show you how to trade with the technique of support and resistance as well. So here you can see the market was in downtrend. This point here you can notice this point, the market get a push from here. It means once the market came at this point, the buyers were activated and buyers get a push to market to upward. So we can see the market previously tested this point. Here you can see, you can draw a support line here, you can put a rectangle and you can draw a support here. Here you can see the market was in previous zone, the market was in downtrend. Here buyers pushing up the market. Okay, now the market came and retested this support zone, or support you can say as a base, or you can say a flow. Support is known by order block as well. The resistance is also known by order block. So, but in easy way, you can say a support level. So here you can see the market get a push from this point. The market came and retested this support level. The buyers activated again and pushed the market towards up. So whenever you see a downtrend, okay, and from that point market push up, you just need to go and draw a support line and wait for the market to come and retest this level. Because once the market get this type of push up from that point, so it means there is these points are the key level for the market. It means there's existence of buyers at those points. So what you can do, you can draw a support line like this, or you can draw a dotted line, because these were the big candles, so that's why I draw a rectangle. It's easy for me to find out. So how you will trade this? Simple. You will go and you will find out long position because it's a support. So obviously we will go long from the support. So what you will do, you will put the entry almost here in the and the stop loss would be few pips below to the low of previous candles. And what should be your take profit? It should be around 2.5, or you can go with 1/3 risk reward ratio as well. Here you can see the market was coming down. From there the market get a very nice push up from the buyers. It means this price has some firm support or base. Second time the market came and retested the zone. This will be the point where you have to take the entry while market retested this zone. And here you can put the entry. You will put the stop loss below the low of the previous candles, and the support zone you can put few pips below the support zone, and your take profit would be 1/3 risk reward ratio. Sometimes you can go with 1/2. If your stop loss is big, you can go with risk reward ratio 1/2 or 1/1.5. If your stop loss is a bit less, then you can go with risk reward ratio of 1/2 or 1/3. So now we will find out our resistance levels. Here you can see the market was going up from its previous support. Okay, here you can see the market get a little pushback because the sellers activated, and market also needs some correction. From that point you can draw a resistance line. I will draw it for you. Go and get a rectangle. So now you can see the market came back and retested the resistance zone again. A resistance you can known as a roof, because the point from where the seller activated and seller activate them and push down the market is known as resistance in trading language. So the support was the area from where buy activated, and the resistance is the area from where sellers activated. So market was in a trend, market was going up. Okay, from there market get a push down by the sellers. That point from where the market get a push down, you will call that point as a resistance. You will draw a line, or you can draw a dotted line, or you can draw this type of rectangle. I can draw a dotted line for you as well. You can go and you can put horizontal line. Here you can put the horizontal line as well. It's according to your ease. Okay, so here you can see the market came down, and again market came and retested this zone. Here you can see the market again retested this zone, and you can see the market goes down again. So how to trade this resistance zone? Go and put a short position there. Where should be your stop loss? Your stop loss should be few pips above this resistance zone. And what should be your take profit? Risk reward ratio 1/3. It would be enough. So you can see risk reward ratio 1/3. You put your stop loss few pips above the resistance zone, and you traded that, and within like few hours you get your target done. So we know now how to find out the support and how to find out the resistance. But the question arises, do every time it will work? No, every time it won't work. But the more success chance is the time when the market retests the support or the resistance the second time. For example, here you can see the market was coming down. Okay, the market make a order block or the support. In our next video we will learn about the order block as well. So market make a support here. Here you can see the market get a push from here, the market went up. Okay, so this was the first time. We can say it as the first time. Okay, from there you can see the market came again back. So this is the time, the second time, this is the time when you enter the market. So this will be your favorite time to enter the market, because whenever market came back to retest the support or the resistance zone for the first time, because this was the first time the market retested, and once it retests for the second time, this is the time where you can enter the market. Whether if it's support, you will enter the buy zone, and if it's the resistance, you will enter the selling zone. So you can see the market came, okay, market make a support here, the market came back again and retest the support here. Here market make a support, here market retest the support, and now this is the time when market came for retesting for the first time. Retesting for the first time, when market retesting the support level for the first time, here you can enter the market. And this is the most, you can say, the successful trading strategy, because 75 to 80% when market first time retests the support or resistance zone, market respect that zone, and at that point you will put a risk reward ratio of 1/2, 1/3, 70 to 75% chances market will respect and will give you profit. But the main thing is that it should be a major support or major resistance level, because there will be some minor as well. So for the minor support or resistance, market won't respect. So you have to find out a major support level or the major resistance level as well. So while we are trading in a 4-hour time zone, so these type of support resistance, these are the major support and resistance. Here you can see, we can also find out the pattern of W, double bottom pattern. And here you can see, we also learn about the M pattern, the double top pattern. So you will find out these patterns while you are trading within the range of support and resistance. You will find out different chart patterns, you will find out different candlestick patterns while you are trading within support and resistance. Now you can see we traded on the resistance and we put a sell there. You can see within few hours we get our risk reward ratio. So that's how you have to find out support and resistance level, and you have to trade between those support and resistance level. Once the support and resistance level break, you can put the trade according to that, and now we will see how. Here you can see there was a previous support level for the market. Here you can see the market, I will draw it for you. The market was coming down. At this point, the buy is activated, pushed the market upward. Again, the market came and retested the support zone. The market respected this time, and market again went up. So that was the place where you will put your entry of buy. But here you can see, this was the first time when the market retested, and now market came again to the same support zone, but this time with a long bearish candle, the market break through the support line. So this was the first retest, and this is the second retest. On the second retest, the market clearly break down the support level, and market went down, and it continued to go down. So how you will trade this type of situation? So in this type of situation, for example, the market break down the support level, you will, once the market break down the support level with this type of bearish candle and the volume is good, so you will put a sell entry immediately. Here you can put a sell entry. What should be your stop loss? Your stop loss should be above the high of the candle. And what should be your take profit? Risk reward ratio 1/1.5 or 1/1.5 or maximum 1/2 would be fine. It totally depends on the situation of the market, because this was a bit bigger stop loss, so you can go with risk reward ratio 1/1.5 or 1/2 would be very much enough for this. So here you can see the market went to the support zone. Here the buy is activated, market went up. The market came down again. Here This is the first time retest of the market. The market is respected the trend, market went up again, and again when market retested, then a big long bearish candle formed and it breaks the support line. So this is the point. It means the support level is broken now. There's a breakout now with a very long bearish candle with a good volume. It means the bears are in the market again. So now we can sell once the support level has been break down. Now we can put a sell, or you can wait for the retest, the close of this candle and retest of this support level, because now this support level has become the resistance level, and there you can put a entry. What should be a stop loss? Your stop loss should be above the high of the breaking candle, breakout candle, or you can put stop loss above some resistance level. It totally depends on you, and the risk reward ratio would be 1/1.5 until 1/2, depending on the situation. So that's how you have to trade the support and resistance. Now understand it clearly. Once market make a support level, this is number one point. Okay, now market make a support, you will draw a support. Market went up, market came and retested. This is the first time market retested the support level. Here you will put a buy entry. Okay, the market went up, market hit your target, leave it. Now if again market came, so this is the point, you have to wait for the market. If market start respecting like this, market make a small bearish candle, then a bullish candle, you can take entry again for the buy level, but it totally depends on the market situation. But if market break down to the support level, now you will put a stop loss above the high of the candle, and you will take a sell entry, because the support line, the baseline of the flow has been broken. So it means market is going more down, because if market was respecting the support line, so this bearish candle will never form, and the market will retest, makes a double bottom and went up again. Vice versa, the same in the resistance level. You can draw the resistance level, market came to retest, that's where you will put your entry. If again market came for the second retest, you have to wait, because again and again retesting of support or the resistance line will make the support or resistance level weak. So that's the point you have to understand. So traders, I hope you liked the video. Remember one thing, while you're trading support and resistance, that's my personal while since I'm doing the trading, what I learned from the market. For example, market make a support or a resistance. First time once market make a support or a resistance zone, the market came back and retested that resistance zone. That will be the point from where you have to take your sell entry. Once the market first time retest the resistance zone, market came back again to that resistance zone and tried to break through it. That's the point where you have to wait and see, because again and again retesting of the support or the resistance zone will make the support or resistance weak. The first time it will be highly impactful, you have to take the entry. The second time you have to wait and see how market react. If it's going good, okay, it's respecting the support line again, no problem. You have to wait. If you find out some bullish movement, you can take the entry again, and the same stop loss would be below the support line, and the take profit would be risk reward ratio 1/2 or 1/2.5. But if it's not respecting, it's making a long bearish candle for the support line, wait for the breakout. If market break the support line, you will take your entry. Your stop loss will be the high of the candle or above the resistance line, and take profit, risk reward ratio 1/1 or 1/2, as depending on the situation. So if you trade like this, 70 to 75% trade, you will be winning. So try this strategy. It's a very easy technique, easy to learn. Go and find out support and resistance on your trading chart. And if you like the video, share the video as well. Goodbye.